of English. My dear aspirants, English is most important in these days because English is very common language not only for our India but whole world. You know about English is very common language and spoken by the whole world. Every country or any country English is spoken. So just I am giving you an example to you that just suppose China has no English, but they are getting whole market. They are covering whole market. How? Because China has English language. They have no English teacher. They are getting English teacher from our India, and Indian teachers teaches to the Chinese students, and China covering the whole market by the help of English. But we Indians are feeling very shy, and we can say that we Indians are feeling lazy and being lazy. We have content, we have fluency, we have everything, but we can't utilize. But English is very important. If you have the knowledge of English, you can survive each and everywhere. Suppose you have to go other countries, South Korea or the USA or the other countries. So how can you survive if you have no any knowledge of English? But my dear, if you have the knowledge of English, you can easily survive anywhere, everywhere in the world. It is the power of English. But we people are feeling like that, feelings are terrible. Which type of terrible? Because
terror of getting difficulty that if we'll say wrong, then people will laugh at us. So that is the main point of thing. Students and learners are getting quite difficult in speaking. And I would like to add one thing, that English is not difficult. If people or students and learners think that it is a difficult subject or a difficult language, then no, dear, it is not difficult. It is just a matter of practice. If you will practice every day, you will slowly and gradually learn to speak English properly.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So, ma'am is given suggest to you all that students, English is not terrible. It is not horrible because English is just a language. Such as when you born, that time you have no any type of dictionary, no any type of grammar. So how can you learn your mother tongue or your original language? Similarly, you can learn English because English is just a language. It is not horrible. It is not terrible. It is very easy and common language. But you can achieve only by the practice. Without practice, you can't achieve this thing. But practice not means that you read only one times or two times. Practice again and again.
Regularly.
Same chapter. Yes, ma'am.
Regularly you have to practice.
Yes.
Regularly you have to read. You have to go through the newspapers every day, and this way you will slowly and gradually learn how to speak in English.
Yes. Read same chapter 10 times, 15 times, and read continuous. Not one time or two time, it will be not enough, my dear. So you have to do hard work. And it will be my guarantee that if you are doing hard work within at least 1 month, so you all will be able to improve your English language or English communication also.
And you will be feeling very much confident by the process.
Okay, ma'am.